Hey guys, welcome back to qurrahtech. First of all, I would like to thank you all for achieving the 500 subscribers. Yeah, it's been a long period of time since I started my channel. Just now I crossed 500 subscribers. Yeah, it's a big milestone for me. First of all, I would thank you all for each and everyone who subscribed to my channel. So to make sound interesting, I would like to host a special giveaway for achieving the 500 subscribers. Wait a minute. I would like to give you away this wireless Bluetooth speaker. So in order to win this wireless Bluetooth speaker, you have to do 4 simple things. First of all, you have to go to my description down below, and then I have given the rules and regulation, all that stuff. So you can read terms and conditions, and then I have given a link through which you can participate in the contest so that you can win the prize. Okay, first of all, you have to do 4 simple things. First of all, you have to subscribe to my channel. If you are not, please subscribe now itself. And second, you have to follow my Facebook page, and third, you have to follow my Twitter page, and fourth, you have to follow my Instagram page. So everything is qurrahtech, so no need to search. If you search, it will come automatically. So these are the 4 things you have to do, and that's it. If you follow all these 4 things and you're going to the link and participate in a contest, I will check and I will give you the prize. And very important point, I will select the winner and say who's the winner in my YouTube videos. I will not release in any Instagram, Facebook or Twitter pages. So don't get worried on that. If you are watching my videos only, you can know if you are a winner or not. And once again, thank you all for giving me support. So subscribe, follow in everything in order to achieve the prize. So see you next video. This is Rais Ahmed from qurrahtech. Bye bye.